Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply adjust the brightness of your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down to your startup menu right here. Click on your startup menu. Then go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on system. Under system, click on display. From display right here, you have brightness right here. So you can click on it and then turn down the brightness as much as possible. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. If you want your brightness to be 100%, turn it up like so, and the PC is going to be full 100% brightness. I'm going to turn it down a little bit to about 70% right here. You can go on and on, adjust your display brightness and color in your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.